Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is not a scent talk. Today's video is a makeup review, makeup comparison video. After 3 months of not filming, ang last ko pang na-film is yung last December, yung mga favorites video ko. So kung may mga nakikita kayo na upload ko dito sa YouTube, those are late uploads or na film ko na and then hindi ko lang sila na-edit. Pero for today, ito yung unang video natin for 2025. Today is March 17. I am sorry if I am so awkward in speaking. Meron ako ditong singaw kasi yung braces ko ay bumabangga na siya dito. I badly need an adjustment pero ayun. So finally ngayon makapag-film na ako. We are going to review and compare this Get Ready With Me palette. So I have here the new face card palette and then this one is yung old Quad Goals face palette. Parang around December ba? I'm not sure. Late ko na kasi ito nakuha. Actually, nakuha ko lang to last yung parang Women's Month sale na Get Ready With Me kasi I've been eyeing this for so long pero wala akong budget kasi yes, heads up, mas naging mahal siya. So, ito yung itsura nila, ganito yung itsura ng palette na ginagamit and nabili ko. So, i-compare natin sila ngayon. Kasi yung iba is nagtatanong or nagtataka or nag-iisip if worth it ba na bumili pa sila nitong face palette na to if they have this old Quad Goals palette. Basically, this palette are multi-use palette. Specifically, this one. This one is more on a face palette. Like, you will have your blush, your contour or bronzer, and then your highlighter. And for this one naman, is yun yung upgrade nila. So, this one is a face card palette, an all-around palette. You have here your blush, your Air Set Matte Setting Powder, a highlighter or a soft veil finishing powder, and then this one is a shading trio. So first, in terms of packaging, as you can see, sobrang nag-upgrade and nag-glow up si Get Ready With Me face palette. Kasi from this one, plastic siya, like all over. And then, medyo magaan siya kasi literal na like plastic yung material niya. In terms of mirror naman, okay naman siya. It's parang a pop something. Like, ipe-press mo siya. Oh my God. Look at what happened to my contour. Itong contour na to, sobrang used and abused ko siya. And then, tingnan mo yung nangyari ngayon. Tada! Ayan, hawakan ko kasi siya. Na-heat pan ko na to. Ayan. So, this one is in the shade Dawnton. Kasi sobrang favorite ko nga. Oh my God. Sobrang favorite ko nga to. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. So, ipapop mo siya sa likod. And then, pag ilalagay mo naman, is maririnig mo lang yung pag-pop ulit niya. Ibig sabihin, nakalagay na siya. So, ayun yung kanyang itsura. While this one naman, in terms of packaging, mamimili ka if you want a gold one or this rose gold. So, I have the regular or the big size and then the mini. So this is the rose gold variant and this one naman is the gold variant. So plastic pa rin naman siya, but this one is much more luxe. It's heavier and medyo, alam yun, parang yung feels niya, mas sturdy siya, mas compact yung itsura niya. And then hindi na siya, what you call this, hindi na yung ganito na nabubura like this one. I have two palettes kasi, wala na siyang logo kasi nabura na siya. Well, this one, ayan, sobrang naka-emboss na siya, parang may nakalagay dyan na golden. And if you get the rose gold din yung branding or yung logo niya. And then this one, hindi na siya madumihin kasi eto, lagi siyang namamantsahan as you can see, ang dumi niyang tingnan. Matte kasi yung feels niya, so medyo kapag nahawakan mo yung blush or yung contour, kagaya nangyari kanina, and then hinawakan mo to, kakapit na siya dito, and it's very hard to clean kasi sometimes I use micellar water pero hindi pa rin ganun natatanggal. Well, this one, it's easier to clean because it's glossy, and then iwa-wipe mo lang siya ng tissue, mawawala na yung mga stain niya. So, very malinis siya tingnan. Kung ito is ipapop mo, this one naman is magnetic na, hindi ka mag-worry na pag na-press mo sa likod, tatalsik or malalaglag yung products kasi, ayan. And then, meron siyang kasama, pero nakatago kasi siya, hindi ko siya na-i-prepare. So, you can use safety pin instead. Ito yung itsura niya pag walang nakalagay, it's magnetic and then may hole dito. Dito mo i-insert yung SIM ejector. Ayan. And then, sa likod, makikita mo yung shade and then other info. And then, nakalagay na siya sa pan or sa metallic pan. Like this. Kasi nga, ayun. Imamagnet mo siya dito and then, pwede mo siya palitan. But if you want to put it back, ayan, ilalagay mo lang siya and then, ayan, nakalagay na. So, I feel like mas secure na siya. Okay. In terms naman ng laman niya, mas malalaki na yung pan. As you can see, ito yung comparison nila sa pan. Mas lumaki yung palette or yung per square ngayon. In terms of price, so dati it retails for 299 pesos and then yung case is also 299. But then, if you get 4 quad, like if you get 4, like yung whole quad goals, you will get a free case. Okay? So, lahat ng case ko, both of this, ay nakuha ko lamang ng free since bumili ako ng 4. So, may free ka na. So, all in all, i-compute nyo na lang, 299, bali 300 times 4, around 1,200. I'm not sure. Ayun yung price niya. Pero, hindi naman ako bumibili kasi ng like full price nito. Bumibili lang ako ng mga ganito kamahal na makeup kapag nag 50% off pataas sila. So usually nakuha ko lang to from 400 to 600 pesos, something like that. So 4 na siya. In terms of formula, lahat ng old formula ng Quad Goals are powder. Like you have your powder blush, powder contour, powder bronzer, like your powder highlighter, baked blush, and then baked highlighter. Yung parang medyo may glitter or may shimmer. So, dito naman is sobrang kumpleto talaga. Like, kumpleto Ricardo talaga to. They have set of blushes in different formula or texture. They have it in etong Royal Flush powder, what do you call this? Powder blush. They also have the mochi blush, yung parang clay siya, parang nagbabounce. They have the satin cream blush, and then they also have yung baked blush. So for finishing powders or for your base makeup powder, they have their air set setting powder. Ayan. And they also have this baked soft veil setting powder for a more shimmery look, something like that. And then they also have yeah, like a single pan na contour bronzer and this shading trio, like for your contour, and then meron ka na ditong matte highlight. So they also have eyebrow products, meron silang pangkilay. So meron din sila na eyeshadow. Ito naman is 149 each like square, ganon. So like itong palette na to, yun lang yung pinakang downside nung pag glow up niya kasi hindi na siya free for every 4 pans. Kasi di ba dati sabi ko, eto free lang siya. Eto, hindi na siya free, guys. You are going to buy this for sobrang mahal. Masyashock kayo. 499 pesos for this palette alone without any makeup. So, lalagyan pa lang is 499 na. And ito naman is 199 for this small palette. Diba, medyo mahal siya. Yun yung one of the cons na nakikita ko. Kasi sana, nagbigay sila ng, ayun, yung parang kahit may discount man lang, pag bumili ka ng 4, but then wala. So, I opt for this pre-curated. Kasi for 1,399, may kasama na siyang ganito. Pero syempre nga, hindi naman ako bumibili ng 1,000 na palette na ganito. So, I waited for the sale and then last Women's Month in Eme. So, nag-sale sila. I got this for 700 something. I will just check. I got this for, I don't know if makikita ninyo, 774 pesos. 3 regular face card and then 4 na eyeshadow. So, meron sila dati, yun, discontinued na siya kasi nga last time lang sila nag-sale for Women's Day sale. So, they have this pre-curated. Yun nga lang ang downside is hindi ka makakapili kung ano yung gusto mo talaga na shade isa-isa. Kasi nakaset na talaga siya, di siya pwede pagpalit-palitin. So, they have this warm set. And then, actually maganda yung warm set. But then, I feel like masyadong dark yung mga shadows niya for me. So, hindi siya yung kinuha ko. They also have this neutral. Ayan. Pero, ang problem ko lang dito sa neutrals is too dark yung contour nila. Kasi yung shade na nandito is Snatch. Yung darkest contour. So, hindi, yun yung pinili ko. Ito, I super love this Think Pink palette. Nga lang, all eyeshadows here are pink. And then, I can't think of any occasion na kakailanganin ko yung pink eyeshadow. So, I opt for this. Ito yung pinaka-safe for me. So, this is the Peaches palette. So, ang pinakang ayaw ko lang dito is isa lang, yung blush. So, eto kasi yung blush niya. But hindi naman totally ayaw. Yun nga lang, mas gusto ko yung ibang blushes kasi I'm into pink blushes than peaches and oranges. Unlike yung dating ako na para puro orange or peach yung blush. Ito kasi yung blush niya. But then, nawo-work ko naman siya. Pero mas gusto ko lang sana yung iba. But then, sabi ko nga, ayun yung con, kapag bibili ka nito, hindi ka makakapili ng shade na gusto mo. In terms of price, yung each pan, naging mura siya. Yung each, like, pan, square, something, mas naging mura siya. However, ang magpapamahal is ito. I don't know sa inyo if you are willing to spend another 499 pesos for the case alone. Pero kung hindi naman, you wait for ang mga sale. I will try to look kung this coming sale ay meron sila, ililink ko sila sa baba. So, check nyo na lang description box. Pag may nalagay ako doon, ibig sabihin, nag-sale sila. Ayan. So, yun. I'm not sure if you are willing to spend another 499 kasi dito libre lang. I will show you the swatches of their blushes. So, for this one, I have here the shade Emery, a pressed blush. It is a pinkish blush. So, ito yung itsura ni Emery. Ayan. And then, dito naman is I have Huntress. So, this one. In terms naman dito sa contour, let us compare. So, dalawa siya. Shading trio kasi siya. Merong darker, may warmer, cooler, and then the highlight. So, usually, pinag-mix ko lang to get my contour. So, ayan yung pinag-mix ko na dalawa. One is in the shade Dawnton. Ito siya. Ayan. So, this is in the shade Haven. This is in the shade Dawnton. So, ito yung sa new, ito yung sa old. Wala akong masyadong napansin dito. Or maybe magkaiba kasi sila ng itsura. Kaya, hindi ko sila ganon mapag-compare. Pero, still, both of these are contours na nag-work on my skin tone. Let me just fix this here. Okay. For this palette, I didn't get... Okay, for this new face card palette, I didn't get any, like, a highlighter or a blinding highlighter. I just get this soft veil. It is a finishing powder. Like, pwede siya all over. Pero ito yung ginagamit kong highlighter. Kasi I have so many highlighters na. This one is in the shade Penelope. Actually, I like Juno more. Pero nung binili ko siya, out of stock si Juno. Kaya ito na lang kinuha ko. Yun, one con pala of this palette is hindi mo siya makikita. So, kung hindi mo kabisado yung shade, yan, may palaro siya. Mahuhulaan mo kung ano yung shade. And like this one, kita mo. Pero, maybe, yun yung price that you need to pay kasi nga, gusto mo yung mas secure. Kaya hindi mo siya makikita. Okay? Ayan. So, this, wait lang. So, this Penelope is, hindi siya like blinding highlight kasi nga, di naman siya highlighter. It's a finishing powder. Pero, meron lang siyang onting shimmer. So, this is Penelope. As you can see, ayan, meron siyang glow, pero wala siyang huge glitters. Ganda niya, guys. Sobrang favorite ko yan. And this one naman, ito yung Candlelit. Actually, I have other highlighters na medyo mas close. Ito kasi yung ginagamit ko most of the time, si Lit AF. But then last time, ayan, I got this as a gift lang, si Candle Lit. Medyo, ano kasi siya champagne color. Ayan. Ito yung kasalukuyan, ito yung ginagamit ko na now. Pero ito yung i-compare natin, si Lit AF. Kasi yung color niya is much closer kay Penelope. Ayan. So, this naman is Lit AF. As you can see, mas blinding talaga siya. Kasi nga, ito naman ay finishing powder. And this is highlighter. So, ayan ang kanilang itsura. Then, I have here two blushes kasi. So, this one is a matte blush. And this is a frosted or shimmery blush. Swatch ko na rin sa inyo. This is Zoe. I super love this blush with a hint, with the gold specks. So, ito siya, guys. Diba? Ang ganda. Sa new formula or sa face card, meron pa rin sila na ganito. So, dito, I have here, what you call this, air setting powder. So this one naman is a setting powder that you can use to finish your makeup or to touch up. Yun yung best dito. Like, meron kang something to touch up. Unlike dito na wala. So, eto siya. It's a cool tone or a pinkish. It's a cool tone powder. Ayan siya, guys. So, eto yung kanyang itsura. Medyo pinkish siya here. Lalo na dito sa pan. Ayan. Pero, more on translucent naman siya. So, hindi mo ganun makikita yung pagiging pink niya. And I like pink powders kasi they brighten up your overall look. Let us swatch naman their eyeshadows. I'm sorry. Hindi ko kabisado yung shade niya kasi nga hindi ko kita. Pero, ilalagay ko na lang dito. So, dito tayo sa dark. Sa deep. Dito muna tayo sa deep peach shade. Ayan. So, eto yung itsura niya on swatch. Ayan. Ang ganda buong-buo yung pigment ng powders nila, guys. Ayan, oh. Ayan. So, apricot. Peach din siya actually, pero mas may hint siya ng brown kesa dito na like deep peach talaga. So, this one is for my eyes. On my eyes, it looks apricot. So, eto siya. Ayan. It's a lot warmer than this one. Bronze frosted eyeshadow. Look at the pigment of this. Ooh, so ganda. Ayan o, di ba? So ganda. Ayan. Ang ganda nito, guys, for nighttime looks. This one naman is more of a daytime type of shimmer. Have an event pero day siya and then pero gusto niyo may kinang-kinang. Ito yung gagamitin niyo. Both of these are frosted formulas. Here. Ayan. Parang comparable siya dito sa highlighter na yun. Yun nga lang is, syempre, mas malalaki yung glitters nito than the highlighters. For this palette naman is, I have here the blush in the shade Nami. I super love this naman, abuse na siya. It's a cool pink shade. Ayan, mukha siyang intimidating but on your cheeks, ang ganda niyan, guys. And then, i-swatch ko na rin sa inyo yung big highlighter nila. I'm planning to get a big highlighter. Nakita niyo yung dalawang to. So, this big highlighter is more of a parang glow type of highlighter. Ayan. Wala siyang shimmer. So, this is in the shade Hanan. And then, this one naman is Trailblazer. It's a highlight topper. Pwede siya if you want bling-bling or mga glitter-glitter effect. Ayan. Yung parang wala kasi siyang base color. More on glitters talaga siya. Ayan. Ang ganda nito, guys. I'm using this on my eyes dun sa inner lang. So, this is Trailblazer. Ayan. Kung nakikita nyo, hindi siya white. Wala siyang any base color. Puro glitter lang siya. So, ayan yung mga colors ng aking quad goals and then face card palette. If your question is, worth it ba na kumuha pa rin nito if you already have this? Ito yung mga points ko kung bakit worth it pa rin. First is, complete set na siya. Like, if hindi kayo nagko-contour or hindi kayo nag-highlight, pwedeng ipasok nyo na dito yung pwedeng ipasok nyo na dito yung mga eyeshadow, ilagay nyo na siya dito, and then kompleto na, like full set makeup na kayo. Full set of makeup na kayo. So, ang pinakang hinabol ko dito kung bakit ako nag-purchase pa rin is I want the case kasi gusto kong mapag-isa na lang yung blush, yung contour, yung blush, and then itong setter or yung parang mattifier. Kasi as an oily girl na palaging nagre-retouch, usually, dinadala ko to and then nagdadala pa rin ako ng separate powder. Like yung compact powder. Pero dito, ayun na lang yung dadalin ko. So, yun yung pinakaunang point kung bakit sa tingin ko is worth it bumili. Another, yung mga shade ngayon, sobrang wide. Mas pinarami sila, mas pinaganda, better formula, better shade range, can cater sa lahat ng color, lahat ng undertones. So, mas feeling ko, mas may mag-work sa inyo. And then, another reason is, dahil may mga cream products na, I'm not into cream products kasi nga oily ako. So, nag-worry ako na baka maging cakey sila or patchy sa akin. Kaya, puro powders lang. Another reason is meron na kasi silang mini. So, if you just want to bring a powder or an eyeshadow like this one, so pwede nyong maliit lang yung bilhin. Okay, syempre, di lang naman tayo dito mambubudol, diba? Ano naman yung mga considerations, ba't hindi kayo bibili? Maybe because satisfied na kayo dito, ayun yung main reason kung bakit hindi na kayo bibili. Kasi nga, if nagpa-practice kayo ng, ang tawag doon, if nagpa-practice kayo na parang i-hit pa nyo muna siya or what, or ubusin nyo muna, ayun. And then another reason is out of nowhere nga nila tong discontinue, like bigla-bigla. So wala na, if ever na, kunyari ako, naubos na yung, kunyari ako, naubos na to, halos wala na ako mabibila ng refill. Still up to you naman kung bibili pa ba kayo nito if you already have this. Pero kung wala pa kayo nito, I highly suggest you get this. Especially if makeup girly ka talaga kasi sobrang ganda niya guys, sobrang luxe, ang sarap niya picture, gano'n, ang sarap niya gamitin. So this one, highly recommended talaga. Yun lang for this video. I hope na sana nakatulong sa inyo if you are deciding to get the Get Ready With Me face card palette. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. Kindly share this to your friends na interested dun sa makeup.